In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively close all Google Chrome windows and tabs at once. We all know that keeping track of numerous open tabs can become overwhelming, and occasionally you just need a fresh start. So let's break down the simplest way to achieve just that. To kick things off, ensure that Google Chrome is running on your device. Open up your web browser and glance over the interface to identify how many windows and tabs are scattered across your workspace. If you've got dozens open, no need to worry. We're going to close them all together without any hassle. Next, you have two straightforward options on Windows. If you're using a PC, head over to the top right corner of your browser where you'll find the familiar red X button. Clicking this will close just the current window. However, if your goal is to close everything, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Q instead. This nifty shortcut will instantly close all Chrome windows and tabs that you have open, so use it wisely. For our Mac users, the process is equally simple. Navigate your cursor to the Chrome application in the dock and right-click on the Chrome icon. A context menu will pop up, revealing an option labeled Quit Google Chrome. Selecting this will shut down the entire application, terminating all open tabs and windows in one swift move. Another method involves the keyboard shortcut, CMD plus Q. Pressing these keys simultaneously will also close everything Chrome-related in the blink of an eye. While closing tabs en masse has its benefits, what if you want to revisit those tabs later? A great workaround here is to utilize Chrome's built-in feature of Bookmark All Tabs. Here's how you can do that. Click on the three-dot menu icon on the upper right and hover over Bookmarks. Select Bookmark All Tabs, give your new bookmark folder a fitting name, and voila! All your current tabs are saved for future reference, and you can safely close them with peace of mind. Finally, it's worth considering third-party extensions if you frequently find yourself in multi-tab situations. Extensions such as OneTab or the Great Suspender are fantastic for managing vast amounts of tabs efficiently and without the stress of lost work. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to close all Chrome windows and tabs effectively, letting you declutter your digital workspace with ease. Remember, whether you're working on a Windows or a Mac device, there are viable shortcuts and methods at your disposal. And don't forget, bookmarking can be your best friend if you wish to revisit any tabs in the future. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to leave any questions or comments below and subscribe for more helpful tips and digital solutions. Until next time.